Hello, and welcome to another episode of Model Kit Builds. Today is my unboxing of the real grade 1/44 scale Gundam MK-II AEUG version. I have already done an unboxing for the Titans version of this, which is why I was almost not going to make this video, but it's not that much, so here is the top of the box in that iconic real grade style. Here is the side of the box. I can get my hands right here. Showing, of course, that inner frame. This is what, real grade, I think number 7 or something, so it's got the early real grade in it. This will be nothing for me though, since I've done one of these, although it's been a while since I've done these early real grades. The other side with the action shots. This will be nice. This will be nice. I've just been wanting a regular one of these Mark IIs and didn't feel like the master grade. That's it for the top of the box. On to the runners. So of course the immense real grade decal sheet. And so, it's not a Mark II without wires. Which I'll probably not bother with. Alright then. So here is runner A. Runner B, the real grade frame. Runner C. Runner D1, runner D2, runner E1, runner E2, runner F, runner G1, runner G2, and of course, beam sabers. But now, to the manual. And here we are with the manual for the real grade AEUG Gundam MK-II. Of course, the typical real grade style manual here. Runner count, information about the frame, and yeah, you start with the putting the frame together. Man, I guess it has been a long time since I've done one of these older real grades. Apparently you put the whole frame together first. Interesting. And then you do the armor. Very interesting. I don't remember that. Huh. Fascinating. Continuing with the armor and the beat. Yeah, I guess this. I'm gonna start by building this before all my master grades I got. But yeah, I guess I forgot what it's like to build one of these. I don't remember what the last real grade I built was. I think it was the new. Yeah, that was the last real grade I did. It was the new Gundam. Which, contrary to popular belief, is not my favorite of my real grades. My Mark II is still my favorite of my real grades. Anyway, shield, weapons, all that stuff. And yeah, paint guide, sticker guide. And that's it for the manual. And that's it for my unboxing of the Gundam MK-II, the real grade AEUG. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.